Hey everybody, this is Dustin with Lare. I'm actually home today and I'm doing a quick project that needs to be done before it gets too cold next week. And I figured you guys might want to kind of see what I do and some of the care that I give my roses for winter. So I just planted this iceberg rose, which is dormant now, but I planted it this fall and I want to get it ready for the cold temperatures that are coming. So this plant, I'll zoom in a little bit later because I'm filming by myself today. But this plant I have sunk down just a little bit so the crown is a little bit below the mulch line, but I still want to compost it over for winter just so that it's a little bit more of an insurance policy. So basically what I do, and you can use any compost that you have, but this is cotton burr compost. We actually sell this at the garden center, so that's what I'm using. But you just take healthy amounts and pile it up over the crown, give it a nice couple inch deep layer. So what that does is it helps protect your crown from the frost and freezing temperatures. So it's just a good practice that I have. So a lot of people will use like rose cones and stuff like that, but I don't like rose cones specifically because they tend to trap moisture. And they're hard to anchor down and stuff. So I just use a nice thick layer of mulch, or sorry, not mulch, compost on the roses to protect that crown. And then what I do in the spring is once it starts warming up, I take the mulch, or sorry, the compost, and I clear it away from the crown, but I leave it sit so it actually helps feed the plant as well. So it doesn't have to be pretty if you don't want it to be. You can just pile it up and call it a day. But the nice thing about this is it also adds to the nutrient level of your soil. So feed your roses, right? So a couple more scoops here and I'll zoom in for you guys. If you have some more tender roses, and they are a little bit more exposed to wind. This is on the west side of my house, so it doesn't have a lot of wind, but if you have some more tender roses, what I do and what I suggest is to put just like a chicken wire cage around it and fill it with leaves instead of like a rose cone. Now you can do whatever you're more comfortable with and whatever works for you. That's just what I suggest and what I do on some of mine. So I'll zoom in for you guys really quick. So it's just a nice thick layer of cotton burr compost just to help protect that crown on there. So if you guys have any questions or comments or anything, also don't mind all the cords and everything because I'm a little crazy for Christmas. But if you guys have any questions or comments or have anything you need advice on or anything, don't hesitate to give us a call, email us, text us, call us. We'll be there to answer, and we'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Have a good Christmas. Bye.